1, English, crow, Telugu, kaki, Hindi, kova, Kannada, kage. Number 2, English, sparrow, Telugu, pichuka, Hindi, gorai, Kannada, gubachi. Number 3, English, parrot, Telugu, chiluka, Hindi, tota, Kannada, gili. Number 4, English, pigeon, Telugu, pauram, Hindi, kubarti, Kannada, parivali. Number 5, English, peacock, Telugu, nemali, Hindi, more, Kannada, navali. 6, English, hen, Telugu, kodi, Hindi, murgi, Kannada, koli. Number 7, English, duck, Telugu, batu, Hindi, batak, Kannada, batakoli. Number 8, English, dove, Telugu, pauram, Hindi, kubarti, Kannada, parivala. Number 9, English, eagle, Telugu, gadda, Hindi, cheel, Kannada, haddu. Number 10, English, owl, Telugu, gudlaguba, Hindi, ullu, Kannada, gubbe. Gorgeous friends, now you know how to speak birds and animals in 4 languages. Practice daily and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.